video we discussed exercise 2.1 first main 4 problems. Now let me continue with the fifth problem. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. 2x into x is 2x square, 2x into 3 is minus 6x, minus 1 into x is minus 6, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3 is equal to x into x is x square, x into 1 is minus 1x, plus 5 into x is 5x, plus into minus minus 5 into 1 is 5. Now before transferring the values of RHS to the LHS side, calculate the value. Here minus 6x minus x is minus 7x I can write, and in the RHS side I can write minus x plus 5x is plus 4x. Now shift the values for the same variable. 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 7x minus 4x is minus 11x, plus 3 plus 5 is plus 8 is equal to 0. So we get x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0, which is there in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore the degree is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Let us continue with the sixth problem. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Again here we have to use a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab formula in the RHS side. And in the LHS side, I'll write the value as it is. That is x square plus 3x plus 1. I will write it as it is. Now apply the formula in the RHS side. That is x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. That is x square plus 4 minus 4x. Now shift the values in the LHS side. Then you will get 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here the degree is 1. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. It is regarding first main sixth problem.